Want to snag that Amazon must-have without breaking the bank all at once? I'm going to show you exactly how to use Afterpay on Amazon. First things first, make sure you have the Afterpay app downloaded and you're logged in if you don't have an account. Setting one up is super quick and easy. Next, in the app, look for the card tab. Usually at the bottom of the screen, tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find your Afterpay virtual card details. It looks just like a credit card, but it's specifically for Afterpay purchases. Make sure to take note of the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now head over to Amazon and add the items you've been eyeing to your cart. Once you're ready, proceed to checkout like you normally would. When you get to the payment section, this is where you'll enter your Afterpay virtual card details. Treat it just like you would any other credit or debit card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code that you got from the Afterpay app. After you complete your purchase, head back to the Afterpay app. You'll see your Amazon order there. Along with your payment schedule, Afterpay splits your payment into 4 equal installments, typically due every 2 weeks. You can manage your payments directly in the app. You can even set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. And that's all there is to it. You can now enjoy your Amazon goodies while spreading out the cost with Afterpay. Happy shopping!